This unit is giving. It has volume. It's a really cute bob. It's body wave. Keep on watching. Hey honeys, it's Ams and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is a collab with Luvme hair, and this unit is a bob. It is 14 inches. It's 5x5 lace, and also this is loose wave texture here. This is 150% density, and as you can see, the knots are already bleached and there's an adjustable band. Oh, I just love how this already matches my skin tone, and on top of that, it is pre-plucked. I have about 10 braids all to the back, and I just picked them up. And let's see what else. I always like scooting my wig cap back just a little bit. It's going to be a middle part, so this should work out. It's perfect because this has a band. But the great thing about this cap is that it feels so snug. I love this because like it's already this was really pre-plucked. Can y'all see this? Okay, like I said, this is 5x5 lace, so oh, this is like a really cute, pretty bob. Okay, so I'm gonna just take some bedhead and spray right there close to my hairline. Now cutting the lace in 2 sections. Glue that part down. I didn't even realize it had like a little piece that could be cut, but I'll keep it. So that is great. So I have my Edge Booster pomade, and I decided that I do want just a tad bit of volume in the front. Just hot comb it up. Yes, that's it. This is it. I like that. Just doing the right side. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this top too. I see my top is hiking up right there, especially the crown. I always like to get the crown, because you do not want your crown to be sticking up. Okay. With this unit, your edges are out since the lace stops about right here. So I'm just going to use some of this Edge Booster pomade and put it on my edges, so my edges will be laid down, just in case my hair flies up. All this product on my edge brush, I have to wash this edge brush. So I'm going to go ahead and use some of my Fit Me powder in my part. And make this blend. I just like the fact that I didn't have to tint this. It already had a good tint to it, so I didn't even worry about tinting it at all. So yeah, I just have like a couple of spaces right through here where I was hot combing. I just need to comb my hair. So once I comb my hair, that will look good. those spaces will be filled in. I really do like the volume of this hair, but I'm actually going to curl some pieces so it can frame my face better. And I'm trying to make sure that even when I curl it, that I'm using the bigger side of the curl one, because I don't want the curls to be real small. Okay, so I got it all curled finally. It only took about 5 minutes, literally. Separating some of the curls. Ooh, this is it. Okay, so now that I got the volume that I really like, I'm just gonna take my freeze spray, spray it. Just a little bit, not much, just a little something. Keep it in place. You keep down some of these flyaways. Final look. You can play with it and make it even more as big as you want or flatter. But I like a little volume. These curls are gorgeous. Basically, only thing I noticed when I was doing this hair, of course I had minimum shedding. I had a couple of flyaways up through here in the front area and a little bit in the crown. Overall, the texture of this hair is great. I really like it. I love the fact that it curls so pretty. Even though it is body wave, it actually holds a nice curl. So, it's cute. I felt like this was so easy to do. It didn't even take me long to style this unit. So I feel like this unit is very beginner friendly. This unit is glueless, so remember, you do not have to glue it down like I did at all, because it has a band in the back and the cap is fitted. But I have an event tonight, so I was like, let me go ahead and glue this down because I do not want my hair to move at all.
Please check out the description box for the link and the details of this hair. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.